Our minds are natural storytellers, constantly weaving tales of what was and what might be. Most people spend their days lost in these narratives, replaying memories of the past or rehearsing anxieties about the future. We carry yesterday's burdens and tomorrow's worries, a weight that pulls us away from the only time that is truly ours. This constant mental travel leaves us feeling drained, disconnected, and as if we're merely spectators in our own lives, watching the days blur into one another without ever truly experiencing them. But there is a sanctuary from this noise, a place of profound calm and clarity. Peace, true peace, only exists in one place, the present moment. It isn't a destination you must strive for. It is a space you can simply arrive in, right here, right now. It is the gentle return to yourself, a quiet homecoming. You can't change what's already happened. The past is a landscape we can learn from, but not one we can live in. You can't control what hasn't come yet. The future is a sea of possibilities, but its currents are beyond our command. To endlessly replay old scenes or prescript future conversations is to exhaust your energy on phantoms. But you can choose how to live now. This very moment is a blank page, an open door. The power to choose is not in changing the world around you, but in shifting your awareness to the world within you. It begins with a single, conscious action, so let's try. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and then release it completely. Notice the small things, the feeling of the ground beneath your feet, the subtle sounds in the room, the hum of a distant machine, the whisper of the wind. See the play of light and shadow on the wall. These details are the anchors that tether you to you. The present moment is where life actually happens. It is in the warmth of the sun in your skin, the taste of your morning, the genuine connection of a shared smile. This is not about ignoring your responsibilities, but about being fully available for your own. Don't miss the richness of your experience by constantly chasing what's next. You can't relive yesterday or skip to tomorrow, but you can inhabit today with intention and grace. Each moment is a gift, offering you the chance to be gifted. So breathe. Be here. You can make this moment, right now, beautiful.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.